It is amazing how functional the Apple Watch SE is, yet it is the cheapest among all available Apple Watches.
Oh, very obvious, yes.
It comes with almost all the amazing features that the higher and more expensive Apple Watches, such as the Series 8 and Ultra, offer, which includes the ability to customize a number of wallpapers, use the quick action feature to get tasks done, time and track your sleep, etc. But these are everyday features that every Apple Watch user is aware of. So what if I told you there are some other features that can make your use of the Apple Watch SE even more interesting?
Follow me, I want to show you something.
This video will serve you with 5 hidden features of the Apple Watch SE that you wished you knew earlier. Hand gestures. Let's kick off with the simple but highly effective features, the hand gestures. You don't have to go through all the complicated and sometimes boring processes to get stuff done on your Apple Watch SE. You can perform a variety of functions such as skipping through apps, navigating the control center, and a whole lot of functions with just a snap of the finger. For example, you can use the Apple Pay feature to pay for services by simply clenching or pinching your fist, depending on the type of gesture you select.
So now you can choose whatever action you want to have happen when you clench your fist. So for example, I chose Apple Pay, and now when I clench my fist, it opens up and I can just tap to pay.
All you need to do is to enable the Assistive Touch feature. Head to Accessibility, toggle on Assistive Touch and the Hand Gestures option, and then customize from the list of options which gesture you prefer to perform a specific function. Very simple.
Very easy to use.
Right from the accessibility screen, you can also enable the Quick Actions feature to perform simple but effective functions, such as double pinching your fingers to either answer or decline a call. Lastly, you can also control some features on your iPhone right from your Apple Watch SE with just a simple hand gesture. For instance, if you enable the Control Nearby Devices under the Accessibility shortcut option, you can pair and control your media, Siri, Control Center, and more by simple hand gestures. Speaking of hand gestures, there are a number of interesting ways you can use gestures to tell the time on the Apple Watch SE. We will talk more about that in a minute. Don't go anywhere.
Oh, I can't wait to find out what it is.
Next, we discuss how to watch YouTube and TikTok videos right from your Apple Watch SE. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of our updates about Apple products. Social media. Did you know you could watch all your favorite YouTube videos on your Apple Watch SE? What about TikTok and Instagram?
You can watch all kinds of stuff.
If you did not know, then I have some good news for you today. You can access and enjoy all these apps right from your watch. That's not all. There are a whole lot of functions your Apple Watch SE can perform. You can even use it to control your iPhone. Keep watching if you want to know more about these functions. Back to watching YouTube videos on your Apple Watch SE, you can enjoy it in 2 quick and simple ways. Either by downloading the third-party app called watchOS from the Apple Watch OS App Store, or by installing it from your iPhone. Once you are done with that, you can go ahead and watch your YouTube videos, like and even subscribe to channels just like how the usual YouTube channels function. However, one downside about this app is that you cannot log in into your YouTube channel with your Google account on your Watch SE. As such, you will only be limited to the stuff you will find on your YouTube homepage if not signed in with your Google account. Aside from YouTube, you can also keep track of the latest posts on Instagram and watch some TikTok contents as well. Download the Lens and Tick watch apps from the watchOS store, install and enjoy the contents from Instagram and TikTok respectively. On a positive note, YouTube and social media are not the only ways to keep you occupied on your Apple Watch SE in your leisure time. You can as well enjoy some games. We will talk more about that in a minute. Stay tuned. Time. Looking for a way to spice up your Apple Watch SE? You can do so through the Watch's clock. The Apple Watch SE offers 3 different ways of reading the time. First is by the watch speaking out the time. To do this, open the Settings apps, tap on Clock, and then toggle on the Speak Time button. Once this is done, you can touch the screen with 2 fingers for either Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse to speak out the time for you. Interesting. If you do not prefer speaking out the time, you can as well choose the Taptic Time, which will vibrate to indicate the exact time when you tap and hold 2 fingers on the screen. Another amazing way to tell the time. Lastly, you can tell every hour by using the chime option. After enabling it, you can choose either the birds or bells sound, which will notify you when approaching every hour on your watch. A cool way to keep you on track. Control your iPhone with your Apple Watch SE. The Apple Watch SE is not only functional as a watch, but also highly important in performing a number of functions on your iPhone. Remember when I earlier told you can control your media on your iPhone right from your Apple Watch SE?
Yeah, I remember.
Yes, you can pair the watch to your mobile device and control the volume, pause and play, and even forward a video you are watching on your iPhone using your Apple Watch SE. That is not all. You can also lock your iPhone with it. I don't wish for you to lose your iPhone, but in an unfortunate situation where it happens, your Apple Watch SE could once again prove very important and help save you from losing your data. To do this, turn on the Lost mode in the Find Devices application. Enter your phone number and click OK to instantly lock your mobile device. You can optionally enable the Notify When Left Behind option in the Find My Devices application to alert you in case you forget to carry along your iPhone or one of your Apple devices. How much more cool could the Apple Watch SE be? Games. We all know the Apple Watch SE offers powerful sensors for insights about your health and fitness, innovative safety features, convenient ways to stay connected, and a faster dual-core processor for added performance. Aside from the serious stuff, the Apple Watch SE is a fan-packed gadget as well. Although it doesn't seem to be the most likely gaming platform, the Apple Watch SE has a wide variety of games that range from simple movement games to brain teasers and even arcade games. Whatever your interest may be, there is certainly a game for you on the Apple Watch SE. Examples include Infinity Loop, where you have to connect a number of pieces together to form a loop, Ping Pong, and Solitaire, which you already know their game rules, Snake.io, where you'll have to use the digital crown to control the snake's movement to eat as many dots as possible, and several other games. And the good thing is that you can download most of them for free from the watchOS store. So from the games mentioned, which one are you trying first? Let's get interactive in the comments section below. Did you know there are features on the Apple Watch that can save your life? The next video will take you through 3 of the most important features on the Apple Watch Ultra that could be lifesavers. Click on the link to watch it and don't forget to share it with your friends. It could be very helpful to them. See you next time.